We're continuing our road trip to the Maritimes after finally crossing into Canada. This week, we'll explore a storybook town straight out of a Hallmark movie.
Come to say hi.
Score front row seats to a cow parade.
Hi, guys.
And you won't believe who we bumped into in Canada's capital city.
That was crazy, Brad.
If you're new here, I'm Jolynn. This is Brad. And say hello to our adventure pup, Riker. Together, we've been traveling across North America in our Winnebago Revel 4x4, better known as the SqWatch Dog. So come along with us for another SqWatch Dog adventure. This is Bruce Bay up in Ontario, Canada. We are in the area where Lake Huron, Lake Michigan, and Lake Superior all kind of converge together. The water here on Lake Huron is so blue. It's beautiful. And there's Brad. He's just kind of the old man by the sea, sitting on a bench, waiting for time to go by. Lake Huron is absolutely beautiful today. Riker is swimming in Lake Huron. I think he likes it. So it's interesting, it seems like the further east we go in Ontario, the more scenic it gets. We're starting to see more evergreens again, some rocks. Seems to be getting a little more scenic, don't you think?
Yeah, lots of lakes.
Yeah, lots of lakes, that's for sure. Start thinking about where we're going to stay tonight, though.
On your eye open.
Yeah, not a lot of options. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of options. We'll keep our eye out.
A little bit more.
Well, the other thing, too, is you've noticed that we're starting to see signs in English and in French. So we're probably making our way towards Quebec, where they speak a lot of French. A lot of French Canadians over there.
Chance to learn.
Oui, oui. Now we're back in the farm country again. Tonight, we're staying at Lazy Rock Campground, just outside of Ottawa. We were going to stay at a provincial park, but there was I guess they called it a microburst. It looked like a tornado. A lot of trees came down through that area, so that's closed. What do you think of this campground?
It's okay.
It's got really nice bathrooms and nice showers, but it's kind of expensive. And all of the campsites are pretty close to each other. There's not a lot of privacy.
Yeah.
But the lake's nice.
Okay.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll find something better tomorrow. The other complaint that I have about this place is it's kind of close to the highway. So you can hear the traffic for sure. So today our goal is to leave Ontario and make our way to Quebec. And we're gonna try to hang out in Ottawa for a little bit and then Montreal, maybe. If we get that far, we'll see. Looks like it's gonna be a beautiful day to travel. Hopefully we can get a hike in somewhere. And maybe even see a moose. But first we have some stinky business to take care of, don't we, Brad?
We do.
Sheesh. It smells over here.
Well, it shouldn't be over here. This isn't a place for you.
Okay. I'll remember that. So, Brad, this should be fun. We're going to do a harvest toast tonight at a Dutch meat farm.
Wow, you're Dutch.
I am Dutch.
You like meat.
And I like meat. I think we'll have
Should be
something
good.
in common. Probably have something in common to talk about with these folks. So I'm excited about this. And then there's also this town called Almonte that we're told we should probably go and visit. They do a lot of films there, I guess. It's supposed to be a really cool little town.
It's also Ottawa, so we'll be in early today and then we can be there early tomorrow.
Yep, and we can take in the sights of the capital city of Canada tomorrow in Ottawa. So that'll be fun. So I'm looking forward to this. This is going to be a great time. And it's a beautiful day. And the other thing that I love about this this Harvest Host is I guess they have cows that come right up to your campsite and say hello.
Oh,
Yeah. So I'll have to say hi to the cows.
see it to believe it.
Yeah. That ain't no bull.
65 kilometers to Ottawa.
Okay. All right. So here we are in the town of Almonte, Ontario. So this little town of Almonte apparently has a couple of claims to fame.
Okay.
They've done several Christmas movies here. I don't know if it's Hallmark or what, but they do Christmas movies here. And then also the guy who invented basketball is from here. And they have a 3-on-3 basketball tournament every year.
Name Smith or something like that.
Yeah,
Name Smith.
yeah. So that's
I
kind
thought
of
he
cool.
did that in New York.
He's from here,
But he invented it, I think, in New York.
maybe. You might be right. I'm not sure. We'd have to look that up. Have to Google it. Might have to Google it. This is a super quaint little town.
You even have a Barbara thingamajig.
They do. You're all buddy-buddy with Dr. James Naismith, the inventor of basketball.
I like this guy. Good job. Play some hoops.
Yeah. So this is Canada's Mississippi River. It's a tributary of the Ottawa River. Really cool. When in Canada, do as the Royal Canadians would do and have some afternoon tea. I think I'll give it a shot. See if they've got some yummy iced tea. So they have all sorts of desserts here. Some shortbread cookies. And I got the Just Peachy iced tea. I think it's gonna be good. Yeah, it's good. It's really good. Well, that was a cute little town.
It was. I liked it a lot. A lot of water.
Yeah. But now we gotta go to the meat farm. The Dutch meat farm. That's where we're gonna spend the night tonight. Hanging out with the cows. This should be interesting. And this is where we're staying tonight. Dutch Farm Meats. That's an old looking building. Oh, look it. You come in and they got the chickens here to greet you. And there's the dog, the Newfie. And look at the hosts are coming out to greet us. This is cute. Super duper cute. Don't hit a chicken, whatever you do. We're playing chicken with chickens. So this is gonna be our camping spot for the night. out in a field. On the Ontario-Quebec border. Let's go get some meat, some Dutch meat. So here's all the meats that they have here for sale at the Dutch meat farm. And we are getting a couple of minute steaks. These look really good. And then these are, what'd you say these were again? Cheesy pork rolls.
Yes, with cheese inside. Yeah.
All right, like a Swiss cheese inside. And then this is a pork roll with bacon on the outside. And then we're getting a couple of what she calls baseball steaks. And this is like a tenderloin?
Yes, fake tenderloin.
Fake tenderloin. Yeah. And you guys are from the Netherlands. You guys have only been here for a few years.
Yeah, 5 years now. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Are you loving Canada?
Yes, it's beautiful.
Oh yeah, I bet. Yeah. Well, I got to make it over to the Netherlands, so I'm excited to go there someday. So
Nice.
we'll get there.
We'll bring the SqWatch Dog.
Yeah. I got to say, this is really relaxing out here. I mean, you can hear the traffic a little bit, but you can hear these crickets, and it's just, I don't know, being out in the middle of a field. It's kind of relaxing, isn't it?
With good meat defrosting.
I know. And wine and cheese and crackers that we're munching on. And Riker's just chilling like a villain. We got this beautiful field to look at. Well, here come the cows. Better than sitting back and watching TV. Watching these cows. Wow. You should hop on their back and ride them.
I'm going to tip them over.
You're going to tip them over? You're going to go cow
later.
tipping?
You got to do it later.
When it's dark. Go cow tipping. They're pretty close to our camping spot. Another amazing sunset. This one from Ontario, Canada. Good morning, Riker. How are you? How are you this morning? The cows went in for breakfast, and now they're coming back out again. Here they come to say hi. Hi, guys. It's a cow parade. There's the Harvest Toast Newfie dog. Hi, guy. So we are going into Ottawa, and this is the Ottawa River that runs between Quebec and Ontario. I think that's Quebec over there, and we're in Ontario. But we're going to go to the Parliament building, the capital of Canada.
Hey.
Maybe we'll see the Prime Minister.
Go see Mark.
Mark Carney. So here we are coming into Parliament Hill. So they're doing a lot of construction, it appears, but this is a pretty cool place. It's really beautiful. Amazing. This is Canada's Tomb of the Unknown Soldiers. The side streets are really cute here. Holy cow. I'm actually seeing Mark Carney here. This is crazy.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Unbelievable. Mr. Carney, I'm from America and I would love to have a picture taken with you. I am.
American.
Hi.
Do anything you can help us out?
I would love to. Oh, that was crazy, Brad.
I didn't see anything.
I ran into the Prime Minister.
No, I saw him and I told you to go track him down.
I know what I did. I hunted him down. Hunted him down like the dog that he is.
I scoped him out. You stalked him.
I stalked him. He was super nice though and really approachable. I loved it. And I thought it was hilarious when I told him I was from America and he asked if there was anything that I could do to help them out.
A shout out to the Dandy Warhol.
Yeah, I told him, he asked me where I was from. I told him Portland, Oregon, and he said, oh, Dandy Warhols. And I said, yeah. As a matter of fact, my neighbor frequents a wine bar that's run and operated by one of the members of the Dandy Warhols.
Hour and a half in Ottawa and look what up.
Totally made my day.
Plus saw some cool buildings.
Yeah, this was a great day.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when our next video is released. It's usually on Fridays at 5 o'clock Pacific time. Join us next week as we fumble our way through French in Montreal.
Oui, oui. That's about all I know.
We'll explore the city's beautiful sights.
Wow.
And Riker almost has a very stinky encounter.
Riker wants to get it.
All this and much more on next week's SqWatch Dog Adventures. Until then, happy trails.